everyone, my name is Melanie. Welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. So as the title, we are going on a road trip to Salvation Mountain. We're about 1 hour in. It's pretty hot and it's deserty. So I think it's like 104 right now in the car, but thank God for AC. But I just want to show you guys around about what we're seeing during this road trip, and then obviously once we get there. And of course Rudy's here driving. So here is the scenery. I'll show you guys more. So we just got to Salvation Mountain. It is super hot, like really hot. Me and Rudy just put on sunscreen. What would you say? What did it say? It's 107?
107, yep.
It's 107 degrees, so we're burning. But we're gonna do some exploring.
There's a caretaker, and I guess he said that he works on it, gets haze, and then makes it into like a mush put together.
So we just finished Salvation Mountain. It was so pretty. We were able to get the drone up there and get some drone footage. It was just so hot. I think when we went in the car it said 121. We were sweating like crazy. I think that's why I didn't really show myself a lot, because I know I was just like dripping. How did you like it, Rudy?
I liked it. It was really nice. The volunteers there were giving us information, and yeah, that people just donate online, and then that's how they get the resources to help the people too that go there. They give out, hand out free water and information.
Yeah, honestly, they were really nice. Thank you so much. The couple that was really nice to us, they were giving out free water and just talking to us and letting us stand in their tent because it was just so hot, really hot. I don't think I've ever been in that hot temperature before. I don't know about you, Rudy, but I haven't. But it was such a good time. I definitely recommend going if you have the chance to. The artwork is so beautiful there. But anyways, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, like, and comment down below, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.